I want to tell you about explosive testimony happening today as Donna Adelson's daughter is taking the stand in her mother's murder for hire trial. Local 10's Janine Stanwood is in the newsroom with what Wendi Adelson had to say in court. Janine?
And at times, Donna Adelson appeared to hold back tears as her daughter Wendi testified. The courtroom in Leon County is a full house. High drama in day 2 of the trial of a South Florida grandmother accused in the murder for hire plot that left an FSU professor dead. Donna Adelson watched as her daughter Wendi Adelson walked into a Tallahassee courtroom.
You can be seated.
Wendi Adelson being called as a state's witness, granted immunity for her testimony in her mother's trial.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you will give today in this trial will be the truth? You may be seated.
Donna Adelson is accused in the plot to kill her ex-son-in-law, Dan Markell. Her son, Charlie, has already been convicted for his role in the crime. Wendi Adelson asked about her mother's feelings towards her ex.
Okay, and what about in 2016? Did she hate Dan Markell?
No, not in 2016.
What about 2014? Did she hate him then?
No.
The story unfolded like a movie script. Back in 2014, Markell was shot to death in his driveway by 2 now convicted hitmen.
What happened when you got to the driveway of Dan Markell?
Well, I pulled up right behind him, and Garcia jumped out and shot him.
How many times did Garcia shoot Mr. Markell?
Twice.
Did he shoot him? Where was the victim when he was shot?
He was inside his parking garage, and his sitting down the driver's side on the phone.
And did Garcia shoot him through the window, if you know?
Through the window.
Luis Rivera and Sigfredo Garcia pleaded guilty to killing Markell at his home. Rivera testified as a state witness on Friday.
And then I said, if you would, put the number 5 next to the lady that wanted the man killed. And did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Prosecutors have long alleged that members of the Adelson family were behind the plot because of a bitter child custody battle between Wendi and Markell. Wendi has never been charged with any crime.
Tallahassee feels claustrophobic at times, given its smallness and slowness, and the fact that my friends cycle through here with transient regularity. So yes, at that moment in time, that's how I was feeling in 2013.
And Wendi has always maintained that it was her decision to separate and said in court today that she was very frustrated with Markell. The state is trying to build a case that Donna was heavily involved in the divorce and the efforts for Wendi to relocate. She faces charges of first-degree murder, conspiracy, and solicitation of murder. Right now, court is in recess. More to come.